Hi, my name is Mesa and I'm coming to you from Truck Outfitters in Pueblo, Colorado to dispel the myth that local businesses cannot compete with online marketing when it comes to automotive accessories. To illustrate my point, I'm using WeatherTech floorliners as an example. This is a display model that we have in our shop. We sell WeatherTech protection products. Floorliners happen to be one of our best sellers. WeatherTech, I'm sure you have heard of them before. I'm sure you've seen their Super Bowl commercial. They have wonderful products and they have them available online. You can buy direct as a consumer or you can buy from Truck Outfitters in Pueblo, Colorado. So their website is pretty straightforward, so if you're tech savvy at all, you shouldn't have any trouble navigating the site. Where it might get sticky for you is in the fitment. These are precision fit products, and so you're going to be asked a host of questions, starting with year, make, and model, but there may also be other qualifiers that are specific to your vehicle, your specific vehicle, the model, the configuration. So you could get tied up a little bit there. Buying from a local shop, we're going to verify that fitment for you. You know, we spend a lot of time in floorboards. Hopefully you don't, except that your drink probably spilled is why you're the reason why you're looking into WeatherTech protection products. But we've seen it all, and we understand what the company wants and what they're asking all of those questions for on their website. We're going to eliminate that for you, but what you really tuned in to here is how are we going to save you money. So WeatherTech has MAP pricing, which means that we are not allowed to undercut their pricing. So we're not to be their head-to-head competitor. We are partnering with them to reach a bigger market. So the pricing, there's not really a lot of wiggle room. Some local shops charge more than the WeatherTech website, and they're allowed to do so. We know at Truck Outfitters, we know that you've seen the Super Bowl commercials, you know the product, you're buying it online already. So we know that we have to be right there where they are to compete for your business. But we are going to save you money in your shipping costs. I called this morning, and to send one row of floorliners to Colorado be $18 standard shipping. So if you have a second row, a third row, and a cargo liner, you know, that price is obviously going to go up. So, but what you know now is that you're for sure going to save a minimum of $18 by shopping local. The other advantage that you're going to get is that you're going to get it sooner. We work with a lot of local warehouses that stock WeatherTech like crazy. So, and we get deliveries all throughout the week. So within a day or two, we probably can get that product for you, and you won't be subject to, you know, the FedEx schedule, the UPS schedule, you know, however WeatherTech decides to send it to your area. We're also going to install it for free. We do that as a courtesy. And another advantage that you'll have is you have now, for an investment of $110 for a row of floorliners, you have now been able to test the waters, and you've got a chance to partner with a local company and see how they operate. You can get a feel for how they do business. Do they do what they say they're going to do? Did they call you when the product was in? Did they give you an accurate ETA? You know, how were they? Were they friendly? Did you get the vibe that they were honest and that they were connected with you as a consumer? And the reason that that's important is because, you know, floorliners is probably not going to be the end of your customization journey. You know, throughout the lifetime of a vehicle, there are a lot of accessories that you may come to want to add on. So when you're doing that, you know, when you're ready to put out some big money to do, you know, a tonneau cover or a grill guard, you know, now you know who in the community you can go to for information, for honest information, and for pricing. And I hope that this at least illustrates to you that there are opportunities to support local business and still save money for you and your family. It never hurts to shop online. We encourage you to do it. Find out what the prices are online. Check the shipping costs always. And it never hurts to pick up the phone and just say, I'm looking at this online. I'd like to buy it, but I'd rather support a local shop. Are you guys even in the ballpark of this price range? And we can tell you yes or no. We can also at least educate you on what you're buying and what we've seen as far as how it performs in the field over time. Please like and subscribe. I almost forgot that part. Please like and subscribe because we have a lot more money saving tips coming your way.